Hey guys, today I want to show you how to change the range hood exhaust from the old one to the new one. So as you can see, I already removed the old one. Basically what you're gonna do, you detach your range hood, and the old one, depends how it was installed, might be caulked, might be screwed in from the external wall. I'm gonna show you. Mine was just siliconed all the way around, so I just removed a little bit of silicone and pretty easy was able to remove the hood. If not, you can go from this side and just hammer it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna now remove all this old, whatever it is, polyurethane caulk, and then I'm gonna install the new range hood. And see, whoever was doing it did some bad job, honestly, here. So I'll probably have to put some polyurethane on top of that. Now, because it's winter, we're gonna use cold rated polyurethane. I use Quad Max, and of course some construction adhesive, the range hood, and now I'm gonna remove the old caulk with with this oscillating tool. I have a very old beaten up blade that's gonna dry it first, and if this doesn't work, I'll put the better blade. Now it's stuck somewhere, so I have to go inside and see where it's stuck, and then probably lift it up a little bit. But you see, fits pretty nicely. It's 10.5 by 3.25 inch. So obviously when you buy the new one, make sure that you buy the right size. The opening looks better right now. Not super flat, little bit on the angle, but I'm not going to cut more, and I'm not suggesting you cutting, because your range hood will just get in and it's not going to use the entire opening. It's a little bit smaller. First, I have some gaps that I want to fill with construction adhesive, specifically that grip around that top brick, and then I'm gonna use the external polyurethane. Polyurethane we're gonna use is very sticky, and when you apply it, you just have to make sure that you apply it only in the places where you want to apply. You will not be able to take it out. I mean, you will, but it's gonna be a very messy job. So what I'm gonna do, I will put it around, and then a little bit here around the middle. Now it's a little bit angled because it goes down, so there is nothing I can do about it. Okay, so the hardest part is actually put it back in. So that's about it. Holds well and it's very functional. And when I install the range hood, I just need to align it with the inlet of this exhaust. Okay guys, this polyurethane doesn't look really appealing right now. What I did, I used the rubber glove and put a little bit of water. Well, I have snow, so I used snow and I smoothened it around, you can see. And then this is paintable poly, so once summer comes, I'll do another round of maintenance and I'll make sure that it's painted to match this brick color. So as usual, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any comments or questions down below, and until the next one, cheers!